Hey dudes, Odd of Jersey History Hunter here. Today I'm out with Bobby. There he is, all the way back there. We're out in the fields today and I'm using Teknetics T2. Booyah. Let's see what we can get. Be back in a bit. Pew! He already got 2 buttons. I ain't. Alright dudes, we got Bobby Buddha in the house.
Back at the scene of the crime.
Yeah, he did awesome yesterday. Look at what he got so far.
Nothing special.
3 flat buttons.
3 flat buttons.
I love them. They are special.
One of us though is coming home with something to talk about.
Yeah.
Just know it.
You know what?
Property to deal with.
You know what, Bobby? Either one of us gets something good. We both got something to talk about.
True. Absolutely.
So it's a beautiful day. I'm just happy to be here.
We're out. We're hunting. It's beautiful. It's not like muggy or humid.
Yeah.
It's just
Nice breeze.
And all of this land. Who wants to come? No? Okay, great. It's just us.
Whee! All right, on to the next.
See you guys tonight.
All right, dudes. Just digging there. Filled my hole, and I don't know what that is. Reminds me of the bottom of a pocket watch, the little loop on the bottom. But I don't know. It's the I don't know who's he. What's it? I just showed you.
Yeah.
Bobby's dancing. On to the next. Dude sticking here with the Teknetics T2. Yeah. I just opened the door. I finally found the flat button today to kick it off. Bobby's got 3 so far. I just got 1, but I love it. Uh-oh, now we got a good signal. There's nothing to see here, everybody. Keep it moving. All right. We'll see what he gets. Be sure and check out Bobby's YouTube channel, Underground Buddha. He live streams every Wednesday night at 7 p.m. And then we live stream together on Jersey History Hunters. Share the love stream on Tuesday nights at 7 p.m. Booyah, booyah, always a good time. Always having fun, always sharing the love. Alright, flip. Nice, dude, nice.
Yeah, pretty toasty though.
That's alright. That's
Pretty
number
toasty.
4, so
Yeah.
you got
You
it.
know what they say, where there's buttons, there's
Buckles.
cans.
Alright, we'll be back.
This one was ringing up good, like a half real too. I was still
Nice.
nervous.
Alright, we'll be back. Alright, dudes, just swinging here, and I think I pulled out a button, but I'm gonna brush it off and see. So, might be a top to a 2-piece, but let me brush it off. Be right back. Alright, dudes, I don't know. Could be a cap to something. But, well, you never know, dudes. Still cool. On to the next. Pew, pew. Alright, guys. Twinkle toes over here. Got button number 5.
And shankage.
Ooh, that's a nice one. I got a Wheatie.
Oh, you got a Wheatie?
I got a Wheatie.
Sweetie Wheatie.
Sweetie Wheatie. I'm happy with a Wheatie.
Damn New Jersey quarter.
Me too.
I don't think we're
Emily
gonna find
got
one out
one. We
here.
didn't get one. All right.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna find a New Jersey quarter out here.
That's
You
awesome.
got a better
though.
chance of finding New Jersey copper.
Yeah.
out here than you
Yeah,
do
that
a New
don't
Jersey
count.
quarter.
No. All right, on to the next.
The answer is always Jersey.
Yeah, baby. Sometimes I need a break and I just lay down in the field. Just because I'm pooped. That's why. It's gorgeous. I love it. See you in a bit. Bobby got something in the clump with the green edge. Could be a weedy, could be a button.
Please be something good.
I thought I had something good before and it was a shotgun shell.
Looks like coin. Watch it be a weedy. Or who could it be?
Maybe an Indian. Yeah, it's not a fatty, but it could be an Indian. He would be fat. It's not fat, skinny. Like me and you.
Yeah. Let's see.
I think weedy.
Can't really tell. Could be a weedy.
Can't tell, but
Rang up like a weedy could ring up.
That's what I'm thinking, dude. Very cool.
Oh, wait a minute.
What? Shank?
No.
No. Just.
Thought I.
All right. I'm going to say it's a weedy. On to the next, dude.
On to the next until we, I'll try to figure this all out later.
All right. See you in a bit.
All right.
Dude. Bobby just said, dude. And I know that's something good.
Thin.
What you got?
Looks like a thin half.
Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. Maybe a half cent.
There's not a button. There's no shank. Yep. Looks like a thin half cent, but we'll try to figure it out.
Nice,
later.
Dude. Hold still 1 sec. Wow. Very cool. Beautiful. Beautiful color.
Yeah.
Slick, but
We'll figure it out later.
very cool, dude. Awesome.
All right. Now let the let it rain.
There you are with the curses again. You and Shelly. Son of
Beep, beep, beep,
Beep,
beep, beep, beep, beep, beep. Hope Donnie and Shelly are doing well. Donnie's feeling better. Let's go Rangers. And Audrey, dude, what a weekend for her, man. What a weekend.
Yeah, crazy.
It was a good crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On to the next.
We'll do crazy again tonight.
All right, dudes. Was just swinging here, and I pulled out
and silver.
a 1943 war nickel. I already got a war nickel point.
Oh well, you still got a silver then.
Yeah, man.
That is silver.
Awesome.
35 percentile.
Pew pew. Right, dudes. I was just digging there. Booyah. And I pulled out like a ball button. That is definitely a button. That is cool. That'll be hollow. And there would have been another piece with a shank on it. That is awesome. Love it. On to the next. Alright guys, just digging here and I pulled out what I think is another button. But I don't see any shankage. It might be squished, but I don't know. So we'll have to clean this one up to confirm. But I think it's another button. Alright, we'll be back. I don't know. Alright, on to the next. Booyah! Alright guys, let's just dig into China. And I pulled out this teeny tiny little piece of something. So deep. Like 9 inches deep. And it's tiny. Don't know what that is. Part of something. But that's pretty cool. Alright, on to the next. Pew! Guys, this is amazing. dudes, that is a very cool button with the eagle on it, I believe. I can't see too well, but I'll definitely look into what type of button that is, and it definitely says something in there. W. Wallace. Awesome. Beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love it. Alright guys. On to the next. I'm on a roll now. Booyah. Bobby just caught a frog. I gotta go put him in the shade.
Say hello, Mr. Froggy. Mr. Froggy.
Adorable.
I'll let you down. There you go.
Hi, Froggy. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Don't you want to go in the shade, dude? All right.
He's like, no, I got a chance to be on TikTok.
I lost him. All right. I lost him. We'll see you in a bit, dude.
All right.
All right, dudes. Still digging with the T2 and a deep hole and another button. This is a beautiful button. Uh-oh, there's something on there. I think, let me brush it off. And the shank is there. Be right back. Alright guys,
baby.
Bobby and I both got buttons. He got two awesome little baby buttons.
There's the baby, and then there's the little baby.
Baby.
Baby, baby. Ooh, baby.
Boop, 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 boop. I got an anchor button.
She did.
Eagle and anchor. And it's a thick.
It's real
two-piece.
Might be a two-piece, yep.
Yeah, definitely a two-piece. I could see the seam. Full shank. Look
Sweet.
at that. I love it. All right, we're doing good, dude.
Picked up. It's picked up.
Picked up. I got a little bit longer. And I'm hoping to get a fancy button. Although I love these.
Cool.
All right, on to the next.
On to the next.
All right, guys, on the way out, got a pretty good signal, and it's half a crota bell. Half.
Half is better than none.
Yeah, I'll take it. I love it. Pew pew. Dudes, we had a good day. It was a beautiful, beautiful day on the fields.
Yes, it was.
And thank you, Bobby,
No
for the
problem.
invite on your spot. It was fun. It was a beautiful day, and I really needed it.
And no work.
I needed a break. So, Bobby got a buttload of buttons. And
a kappa.
And a kappa.
Half cent.
Half cent, most likely.
Yeah.
Very
Definitely,
cool.
it's definitely not a large. It's half of some sort. I'll get it figured out later, maybe.
Yes. So let's go over what we got. Do you want to show your finds, and I'll show mine? I'll show mine while you're getting yours ready. I got some junkage. Lots of junk. I'll send a picture to Dawn and Shelly. And I got some interesting junk. Interesting. I like the lead slugs and stuff.
Yeah.
And then I got good stuff too. I got a half a crota bell, which is still beautiful. Weedy. A little flat button. Another little flat button. A war nickel. A ball button, which I love. That's going to be a beautiful green when I clean it up a little. And two eagle buttons. One with the anchor And this one here, it's just beautiful on the back. I wish the front looked like that. It's nice.
And your slaggy slag.
And then Bobby Buddha got
Let's see here.
more buttons.
That's an unknown. No, that's a button. Button. Oop.
Shovel.
Shovel. Button.
Button Palooza today, dude.
Button.
What a great day.
Button.
Wow.
Kappa.
That's a photo waiting to happen, and it just did. Way to go, Bobby. That copper's cool.
It'd be cooler if I could actually get home and clean it up, figure out what it might be. Ooh, that's
Definitely the bust right
no,
there.
that's
It's
a largie.
Is that a KG2?
Or a draped. No, 2 would be facing the other way. That looks like a draped.
Yeah, 2 faces to the left, but
To the.
are you sure it's not a KG3 or a KG1?
Could be.
Because
Yeah, it might be a largie. It's just very thin.
might be a largie.
It might be a largie. It's definitely, the bus is definitely facing.
Yeah, it's facing the right.
Yep. So it's definitely not a 2.
It's a 1 or a 3 if it's a
Or a draped.
KG or. Is that a drape bust?
It could be. Draped is faced that way as well. It's like the
very
year,
cool.
It's like the year of the draped bus this year for me.
So, I'm cutting out. Bobby's staying. Good luck
for a
the
little
rest
while
of the
longer.
day.
Maybe another half an hour, an hour.
Hope
See
you
what else
enjoy
I
the
can scrape
video.
up.
The video. Blah. And we'll see you next time. Peace.
Here on The Price is Right.
See ya, Bobby.
See ya. Boom.